Welcome back, champs. P10 begins now, and today we're breaking into the most misunderstood concept. Ready? Let's go. You've heard it 1,000 times. Change the name and the concept changes. No, wrong. Physics doesn't care about names, only about behavior. Electric current creates a magnetic field. Moving charge equals magnetism. Name it electromagnetism or magnetic effect. Still the same science. Students confuse cause versus effect. So, when someone says it's not magnetism, it's something else, nope. If it creates force on a moving charge, it is magnetism. That's Oersted's experiment, the point where electricity and magnetism shake hands. In JEE, they don't ask definitions. They test if you understand the behavior. So, things like the direction of magnetic field around a conductor, the right-hand thumb rule, force on a moving charge, magnetic field due to a current loop, and, magnetic moment concepts. Remember this shortcut. If charge moves, magnetic field exists. If magnetic field exists, force acts. If force acts, motion changes. And honestly, that's literally all of electromagnetism compressed into one equation. F equals Q times V cross B. So if someone says, bro, that's not magnetism, just tell them. Physics says it is. Your feelings don't change Maxwell's equations. P10 done. Comment P11 if you want the next script. Like, share, and keep learning the way toppers do.